Welcome back to Simply Filters. I'm Miranda, and today we're talking about how to disinfect your home naturally in ways that are still safe and effective. A lot of people want a clean home without heavy chemicals. The good news is you can disinfect safely with things you probably already have. Vinegar is a classic. It does not kill everything, but it's great for everyday cleaning on counters, sinks, and hard surfaces. Just avoid using it on stone. Hydrogen peroxide is amazing for disinfecting. You can use it in bathrooms, on doorknobs, and even on cutting boards. Let it sit for a few minutes before wiping so it has time to work. Another safe option is steam. A steam mop or handheld steam cleaner uses heat to kill germs without any products at all. It's perfect for floors or fabric items. Essential oils smell good, but they're not strong disinfectants on their own. Use them for scent, not sanitation. Also, remember that disinfecting works best when the surface is already clean. Wipe first, then disinfect. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, share this video with a friend who's trying to switch to natural cleaning too. And make sure you check out our TikTok for more healthy home ideas.